How to remove bank account from Zelle. First of all, open the Zelle app on your device or access it through your bank's mobile app and log into your account. To remove a bank account, you will need to contact Zelle customer support or your bank's customer service. Removing a linked bank account cannot always be done directly in the app, so contacting support ensures your account is removed safely. Reach out to Zelle customer support through the app, website, or your bank's customer service number. Provide them with your account details and request the removal of the linked bank account. Follow any instructions provided by customer support to verify your identity and complete the removal process. Once confirmed, your bank account will no longer be linked to your Zelle account. Using customer support ensures the removal is secure and prevents any accidental payments from being sent to the old bank account. Now you know how to remove a bank account from Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.